Hey guys, so today I'm going to be cleaning my Pandora bracelet, and I also got a new bracelet as well as some charms. So I'm gonna clean my charms and my old bracelet, and then I'm gonna put them on the new bracelet. So the reason that I'm gonna clean this one is because I want to clean my charms. I went to the store to get it cleaned, and they cleaned it for me. And it looks pretty good. It was really tarnished. I hadn't worn it. I haven't worn it in a couple years at this point. So they did a good job, but if you can see, it's still some areas that are kind of still tarnished. And I want to get my charms a little bit shinier. So when I went in there to get it cleaned, they had a sale going on, and you could get a new bracelet and 3 charms for a sale price. So it was pretty good, and I ended up just getting that because I wanted a couple new charms, and then I just got the bracelet. So I'm gonna see how this one looks, and probably just use this to start a new one and put these charms on the new bracelet that I have. So in the store, she put it in the cleaner there, and then afterward they buffed it with the buffer wipe, and the buffer wipe worked really well. But we did buy the cleaner. So I have the cleaner. So this is the Pandora Jewelry Care Kit, and this is what she recommended at the store. So this is the Pandora Jewelry Care Kit. So I'm going to use this. So she said to just put your bracelet in there for about 2 minutes only. So first I'm going to do that. She said leave the clasp open, and then that way the whole clasp and the bracelet and the charms are going to get clean. So we're going to put this in here for 2 minutes, and then after that we're going to wash the bracelet with Dawn. So this is what was the suggested soap to use, because this works really well for your fine jewelry and your Pandora jewelry. So let's see how that goes, and then we'll go ahead and put all of my charms on the new bracelet, and hopefully they will look really bright and shiny and even cleaner than they do currently. And then I'm also going to show you guys what I got, because I got 3 charms for the sale. I don't know what possessed me to go in the store to get it clean, because I already knew that I was going to buy something, but you know, that's just how it goes. So let's see how this looks. I was scared to use some other cleaner that I had at home, because I wanted to make sure that it was safe for my bracelet, so that I didn't mess anything up. So these are the instructions, and then we have the cleaner, and this is a gentle jewelry cleaner, and it's specifically for Pandora. So let's see how we open it up. I think that they said it's a tray in here that you sit it in, and then you just sit your jewelry, your bracelet in the tray. And I only have the bracelet, but when I was in the store, somebody had a necklace and looked really cute. So now I'm considering getting a necklace too. But I got some gloves because my skin is sensitive, and I know I'm gonna clean this off of the bracelet with soap. So just while I'm putting it in the cleaner, I just want to use some gloves really quickly, and there's like a thin plastic layer on top, so I'm just going to use a toothpick to open this up and get that plastic lining off. Okay, so I have it open, and just like they mentioned, there is a tray. Okay. So there is a tray, and then you just sit your jewelry in the tray, and then you sit it in there for 2 minutes. So I'm going to take my bracelet and sit it in the tray. And sit it in for 2 minutes. Hey Google, set timer for 2 minutes.
Sure, 2 minutes. Starting now.
Okay, so let's let this sit in here. So my bracelet is in there. So the bracelet is sitting in there, and we're gonna sit it in there for 2 minutes and get it nice and clean. I have the clasp open, and so that way the end of the bracelet can get cleaned and all of my charms. So let's see how this goes. Hey Google, stop. Okay, so that was 2 minutes. So we're gonna take the bracelet out. And we're gonna rinse it. I have a bowl of water here. I'm just gonna sit it in there. Okay, so I am done with the cleaning for 2 minutes in the Pandora Jewelry Kit Cleaner. And this is heavy duty stuff. I gotta put my gloves on. So now it's in the water, and they recommended that we use the Dawn Platinum cleaner. So this is supposed to be a gentle cleaner to use. So I'm just gonna take it and put a little bit in the water, a little on the bracelet, and I'm going to scrub it up a little and put it in the water, and I'm gonna clean it with the soap. So I'm gonna scrub it down a little bit. I have some paper towel, and I'm just going to gently rub it with the soap and make sure that I get all of the jewelry cleaner off, and this will clean it even more and make it shinier. I'm going to go and rinse this in the sink. Okay, so I rinsed my bracelet and it is out of the cleaner and rinsed down with the Dawn soap. And you can see that it looks really sparkly. It's not tarnished. And my clasp around the edge was really tarnished. Let's see if we can get, there we go. And it looks really nice, really clean. So it looks great. I could just go ahead and wear this as is, but I did buy a new bracelet. So I don't know. Now I'm confused because it looks really good. So I don't know. But let's see what I got. So I got the new bracelet, and it was on sale. So you buy one bracelet and then you get 3 charms. I'm gonna take a look at the charms that I got. So I bought, when I first had my bracelet, like I said, I haven't worn it in a while. So I wanted to get something like to represent being a mom and my son. So I was able to get 3 different charms. And this one says mother. And this was a 2-piece. So this was a good deal because this charm came in 2. So it had a mother and a daughter. So I gave my mom the daughter because she wanted the daughter to represent me and my 3 sisters, just to represent her daughters. And then I got the mother because I wanted something to represent myself being a mother. And it has a heart, an open heart with the mother there. And then I got these 2, and this is a really nice heart that stands out a lot. I saw one of the workers at the store. She had it on and it was so pretty. You can see it's like it sits up and it's really you know, it's just really sparkly and looks nice. And then this is a little boy to represent my son, and he has like a little hat that has a spinner on the top, and it's just a cute little boy, and he has a pink and green colors on the top of his hat. I know it's probably hard to see, but there they are. So those are the 3 charms that I got to add to what I already have. So this is the bracelet that I already have. And my favorite color is purple, so I kind of have stuck with the purple and silver theme. I don't really care for this one anymore, this dark purple, so I think I'm gonna get rid of this and swap it for some of the new ones. Definitely keeping this lighter purple. I have a artist palette because I'm an artist. I love butterflies. I have my purple butterfly. And this heart over here says sister on the end. And me and all my sisters have the same one. A S for my name. And then this is a unicorn because I love unicorns and purple. And just decorative ones here. So I'm excited for the new charms that I have to use these on the bracelet, and hopefully I can work to fill this one up. The cleaner did such a great job. It looks so good. It's sparkling so much. So I'm gonna decide if I want to keep it on here or if I'm gonna put it on the new bracelet. So I got my charms off, and I don't know if you can see the big difference, but this is the old bracelet and this is the new one. So you see it's a little shinier and it's a little shorter, so this is gonna fit me better. So I have all of my old charms off and my new ones, and I'm gonna put all of my charms, my old ones and my new ones, on the new bracelet, which is a lot shinier and it's smaller, so it's gonna fit me better. So I am excited, and I think you can see the little boy better here, and my new charms, mother. Okay, so there is my bracelet with all of the charms on it, all of my new ones and my old ones and my clips. So now I just have filled this area up too. I used to only have one over here, so now I have this side and the middle filled. So now I just need to fill up this area, and this bracelet will pretty much be done. And now I have another bracelet. So if I want to start a new color scheme or have an additional bracelet, then I can start adding charms to this one. So there is my bracelet. Thanks guys for tuning in and seeing how I cleaned my Pandora bracelet and all of the new charms that I got. So thank you guys so much, and hopefully this helps you guys so that you know how to clean your bracelet if it's really tarnished. I wish I had taken a before picture before I had went into the store, because it was pretty bad. So the cleaning and then buffing it helps a great deal. So thank you, and see you guys on the next one.